Hello everyone, this is a hotel room review of the Hyatt Regency, Seragaki Island in Okinawa, Japan. This is room 549, which is a corner twin ocean view suite. And we are on the 5th floor, right here. So upon entryway, there's a large, another entry, I suppose for connecting rooms. Entry into the main room though. We're greeted by a nice living room area. We do have a toilet and sink on the right. So seating for four, easy at the table. Nice couch, big TV, Sony as well. Access to the patio out here. Beautiful day. Having some fun out on the ocean. And today is October 1st, 2025. And we do have a small kitchen here. So full-on oven, which is nice. We have plates and cups. Full-size refrigerator. Plenty of room there. As well as a freezer down below. An espresso machine. We've got some water, a sink. Water boiler. Two entryways into the bedroom that both have sliding doors. And now this is a Hollywood twin setup. So these beds can be pushed apart or pushed together. We have the bed rails on right now. Nice controls here. Plenty of power outlets everywhere, which is nice. Got another TV. Seating area. Go check out the patio. Yeah, really beautiful day. Yeah, we'll go back inside. So, another patio on this side, and I'll get a view of the pool. More seating area. Back inside. We have our changing room. Slippers, robes, safe, ironing board, iron, more robes. And nice bathroom. Nice big soaking tub. View outside, dual vanity, hello. We've got hair dryers, sink, two sinks. All the amenities you would expect. Nice big shower here. And another toilet. So a really nice corner suite. Really nice view, a lot of room to move around. The ceilings are very tall. The decor is very nice, very modern. Yeah, it looks like a really nice room. So anyways, thanks for watching. Again, Hyatt Seragaki Island, Okinawa, Japan, October 1st, 2025. See you next time.